These Nike Air Force Ones are severely beaten up, and we will bring them back to life, starting with Rejuvenator products and giving them a deep clean, starting with the soft bristle brush to clean up the uppers. Then we will use the medium bristle brush to clean up the midsoles. And then we will use the stiff to clean up the soles. We will also place them in the laundry system using Rejuvenator products. Now we must unyellow the midsoles, starting with Salon Care 40 and applying it to the midsole. And then we will place them in our sneaker icebox. And here are the results after an overnight session. And we still need to unyellow the other side. And here are the results.